20 minutes back, a few of my friends called and said they are coming for a visit, so I made these walnut cookies for them. And since I had used a new brand of stevia, I thought I should check how it affects my sugar levels. So I tested my sugar levels before eating the cookies, it was 99, and 1 hour after eating 3 of these tasty walnut cookies, it was 77. My blood sugar level actually decreased, and the guests liked the cookies very much, so I thought I should share the recipe with you also. Assalamu alaikum people, I am Dr. Asma and a few days back I made a halwa with stevia powder. Today I'll use the same stevia, Oriza stevia, but in the drop form, and we will make cookies. Oriza stevia is available in many flavors. You can try any of the flavors, but today I'm using the clear flavor, which is the non-flavored one. Also in this video I'll tell you how to check your food, whether it is safe for diabetics, for weight loss or not. So watch the video till the end. So to make walnut cookies you need walnuts, and the best way to take walnuts is to soak them overnight. In the morning dry them up either in the oven or under the sun, it's your choice, but we need finely ground walnuts for our cookies. I made a whole video on how soaking the walnuts, or any nuts for that matter, reduces its phytic acid content. Phytic acid is an anti-nutrient. It blocks the nutrients from being absorbed into your body. Anyway, to watch this video and many more informative videos on how you can use your food as your medicine, do subscribe to our channel. Anyway, to our ground up walnuts we need to add some besan, that is gram flour, some baking soda, some zira, cumin, cinnamon powder, salt and vanilla, and 2 egg yolks. With the whites I made sunflower seed bread. You should watch the video, it was awesome. Anyway, add sweetener of choice. I am adding stevia drops. You can also add stevia powder if you want. Anyway, mix all the ingredients well till they clump up together so that we can form biscuits later out of it. And if you don't have so many ingredients at hand, just use any flavored stevia. Like you can use vanilla stevia and your cookies will be vanilla flavored. You can use saffron flavored and your cookies will taste like saffron without any saffron. Or you can add chocolate for chocolate flavored cookies. Anyway, shape your dough into cookies. It makes about 15 to 20 cookies with this batter. Now bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. And just like that, within 15 to 20 minutes you get wonderful gluten-free, oil-free, walnutty cookies that reduce your sugar instead of raising it. And the thing is, I'm not diabetic, so my results won't translate into your results. I do all these experiments and prick my fingers just to show you how you can check your food for yourself. If the difference in your blood sugar levels before and after 1 hour of eating something is 10 to 20 units, that food is good for diabetics and for weight loss. It is good for ketogenic diet basically. For drinks, you have to wait for only half an hour to check your before and after blood sugar level. Anyway, whether or not you are diabetic or you want to lose weight or not, try these cookies. They are wonderful, they are delicious, and let me know in the comment section below, did you check your sugar levels before and after just like I checked, and which sweetener did you use and which flavor of stevia did you add to your cookies? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.